Hey guys, welcome back. So are you waiting to buy a 5G phone which is affordable and made specifically by Samsung? Well then you have to wait for a few weeks or maybe until next year in January. We have heard that Samsung is working on the Galaxy A13 5G. Recently even the user manual got leaked, so it's definitely coming and it's going to be the most affordable 5G phone by Samsung. Right now their most affordable 5G phone is the Galaxy A22 5G, which goes for Rs 20,000 or 230 euros. The Bluetooth SIG listing tips 4 different model numbers of the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G, and while the Galaxy A13 has been tipped to launch in both 4G and 5G variants, the report says that the model numbers SM-A136U, SM-A136U1, SM-A136W and SM-S136DL represents carrier and region versions of the same 5G models of the Samsung Galaxy A13. The South Korean firm has not revealed any information, but who is waiting for them to tell anything? We have our first official look and specs of the model from various sources. Tech publication Geekbench has published few official press images, and that was further corroborated by the images in the user manual. As you can see, the design of the phone is fairly basic with an Infinity V display, a large chin, comes with 3 rear cameras, and the power key is integrated with a fingerprint scanner for authentication. If we take a look at the specifications, it's been rumored that the display will be 6.5-inch LCD panel. Now you cannot expect an AMOLED display at the price point the Samsung will offer the phone, but a good LCD panel will do just fine. Furthermore, SM-A136U model was spotted on Geekbench with the Dimensity 700 SoC, 4GB of RAM and Android 11, which is not the latest OS available. The phone could feature 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage. It has 5G connectivity, probably sub 6 GHz, GPS, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0 and NFC. The upcoming smartphone is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and reportedly supports 25W fast charging. It has a triple camera setup at the rear, including a 50 megapixel primary camera and a macro camera. The smartphone also features a dual SIM card slot, a dedicated microSD card slot, a USB Type-C port, and guess what? A 3.5mm headphone jack. About its availability, it will be launched in various parts of the world and could be available in 4 color variants: black, blue, orange, and white. So that is all for this video. For more updates, do subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.